Is robotic knee replacement right for you? Hi everyone, I am Dr. Suhas Masilamani, a fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon who specializes in robotic joint replacement with thousands of surgeries under my belt. Today, let us dive into the world of robotic surgery. Is there somebody in your family who needs knee replacement? Are you contemplating that conventional surgery or robotic surgery? This is the place you need to be. Robotic knee replacement is a highly specialized piece of technology that is available to us, which is helping us cater to all patients. Here in the surgery, we can make a precise, personalized plan for your knee, which is very different from conventional surgery, where the same plan is executed for every single patient. The robotic arm will help us achieve this precise, personal plan in your particular case with millimeter accuracy. This translates to faster recovery and better outcome in our patients.